The Midwest Tool and Cutlery Pookie Buster is a magnetic hex nut driver designed for efficiently removing screws covered in caulk or sealant. With its patented broach cut and two size options, it easily grips and removes screws without causing damage. Crafted from durable heat-treated steel and featuring magnetization, it ensures longevity and convenience even in tight spaces. Whether you're a DIYer or a professional contractor, this tool proves to be a valuable addition, saving time and preventing frustration in dealing with stubborn screws. The KATA 10-inch aluminum frame compact hand-operate mini hacksaw is a versatile and lightweight tool suitable for various cutting tasks. Its aluminum frame ensures durability, while the ergonomic rubber grip handle provides comfort and control during use. The dual-action blade lock ensures safe and secure blade changes, accommodating both 10-inch and 12-inch hacksaw blades. With a 2.5-inch cut depth and the inclusion of 3 bimetal HSS blades, this mini hacksaw is ideal for cutting wood, metal, and PVC pipes, making it a valuable addition to any toolbox. The Goliath CNC Router machine stands out with its portable and autonomous design, allowing it to move freely across materials for increased flexibility. Its unlimited work area capability enables large-scale projects without spatial constraints, and the 3 omnidirectional wheels ensure precise cutting in any direction. The integrated dust collection system maintains a clean workspace, and the machine's repeatability of 0.1 mm guarantees accuracy. Goliath's user-friendly software simplifies project design, making it accessible even for users without extensive CNC experience. Overall, this CNC router combines mobility, precision, and ease of use for versatile and efficient woodworking. The WEHA electric torque key, featuring a 3/8 drive 44163, is a versatile tool designed for controlled tightening applications, specifically tailored for electricians dealing with live parts up to 1000 volts AC. Its adjustable torque limit, ranging from 5 to 25 Newton-meter, ensures precise tightening, preventing any risk of over- or under-torquing delicate components. Certified to NIEC 6900 standards, this insulated tool is safe for use on live electrical components. The 3/8 square drive allows compatibility with various nut driver inserts, providing adaptability for different fastening tasks. With 2-direction rotation, positive feedback, and audible clicks upon reaching the set torque value, this compact and ergonomic tool offers convenience, control, and safety for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. The Verifix glass bonding table is a precision tool designed for accurate UV bonding of glass at 45° and 90° angles. Featuring a gridded surface and adjustable stops, it ensures perfect alignment, reducing errors in glass projects. Safety is prioritized with UV lamp shields and protective goggles, and stability is provided by sturdy construction and rubber feet. Its versatility spans applications like shower enclosures, and it accommodates UVA and UVB curing lamps. Available in standard and deluxe versions, this user-friendly table is suitable for both professionals and hobbyists, offering seamless glass bonds effortlessly. The TM Mechanics Slider 45 is an angle grinder attachment specifically designed for making precise 45-degree cuts in ceramic tiles. Its guide ensures accuracy without the need for manual measurements, simplifying the cutting process. The tool is easy to use, clamping onto the angle grinder and allowing for simple adjustments to accommodate tile thickness. Notably, it includes a dust extraction port, keeping the workspace clean, a significant advantage over traditional tile cutting methods. With its durable construction, the TM Mechanics Slider 45 is a reliable choice for both professional and DIY tilers seeking efficiency and accuracy in their projects. Dominate your projects with the Inventor 20-volt Max Brushless Cordless Sawzall. This beast of a saw roars with a 20-volt brushless motor for long-lasting, efficient cuts, ripping through wood and metal at a blistering 3,000 strokes per minute. Two 2.0 ampere-hour batteries fuel your cutting spree, while the fast charger keeps you in the game. Deep cuts are no match for the 7/8-inch stroke length, and variable speed control lets you finesse every task. Need to switch blades? No sweat. Tool-free changes keep you on the go, and 5 wood and metal blades are included. Compact design and an ergonomic grip make one-handed operation a breeze. Conquer any cutting challenge with the Inventor. 20-volt max brushless cordless Sawzall where power, precision, and convenience meet. Ditch the wrenching battles, friends! The SKIL Secure Grip self-tightening box wrench set is your new 4-piece powerhouse, conquering nuts and bolts of all shapes and sizes like a self-adjusting ninja. This patented hero magically adapts to any fastener, saving you time and sweat in tight spaces and awkward angles. Built tough, with high-quality chrome vanadium steel, it laughs at wear and tear. And the comfy, non-slip grip keeps things under control even when hands get greasy. DIY warrior or pro mechanic, this versatile weapon tackles any fastening task with ease. So, unlock the magic of effortless fastening, grab the SKIL Secure Grip self-tightening box wrench set, and dominate your toolbox. Ready for perfect lines and flawless cuts? The Uncle J Unlimited Connection Contour Gauge is here to revolutionize your DIY projects. Say goodbye to tedious paper templates and embrace a tool that connects seamlessly to measure and replicate even the most challenging shapes with precision. Its durable construction and locking mechanism ensure lasting accuracy, while its versatility extends to woodworking, tiling, metalworking, and beyond. Whether you're crafting intricate moldings or fitting custom pipes, the Uncle J simplifies every contour, saving you time, effort, and materials. Unleash your creativity and achieve professional-looking results with the Uncle J Unlimited Connection Contour Gauge, your ultimate partner for conquering any contour, no matter how complex. Forget clunky tools and scratched surfaces. The Valmax 2-piece rubber wrench duo is your grip game changer. These adjustable wonders, big and small, tackle tasks from plumbing woes to stubborn lids with their super grippy rubber straps that mold to any shape. No more marring, just a gentle, powerful hold at your fingertips. Plus, the comfy handles make even tough turns a breeze. So ditch the struggle and embrace versatility. The Valmax rubber wrenches conquer odd jobs, quick fixes, and creative tinkering with effortless ease. They're your must-have toolbox heroes for a world of gripping possibilities. Wave goodbye to dust bunnies and hello to a revolution in sanding with the FCI DustFree System. This game changer gives you total freedom to glide through projects, leaving behind pristine surfaces and clean air, thanks to its multi-patented pivot joint, lightning-fast sanding transitions, and shop vacuum compatibility. It adapts to any task with versatile clips and hook and loop pads, letting you breathe easily and work without the mess. Experience the satisfaction of dust-free sanding. The FCI system is your new clean air hero. Unlock the ultimate precision for your bike setup with Dead Knot Tool Co.'s bike setup lasers. These innovative tools banish misaligned gears and frustration, ushering in a new era of laser-guided accuracy. Imagine effortlessly dialing in your drivetrain, truing wheels with pinpoint precision, and fine-tuning your brakes to a symphonic harmony. Dead Knot lasers illuminate the path to smoother rides and peak performance, ensuring every component is in perfect harmony. Upgrade your cycling experience with laser-sharp focus and ride with confidence, knowing your bike is dialed in for peak performance. Embrace the brilliance of Dead Knot bike setup lasers and experience a whole new level of cycling precision. Crescent Lufkin levels, your pocket-sized heroes for conquering any tilt or pitch. Forget bulky tools and shaky measurements. These compact marvels pack a precision punch. Imagine tracing perfect lines on cramped shelves, aligning picture frames with laser focus, and leveling furniture with effortless ease. Durable aluminum construction shrugs off drops, while magnified vials ensure clear visibility, even in dim light. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a weekend warrior, Crescent Lufkin levels bring accuracy and convenience to every project. So ditch the wobbly guesswork and grab a Crescent Lufkin level. It's time to get things perfectly level. Forget wimpy carts and aching backs. The Wolfcraft off-road transport system is your beast mode partner for conquering any terrain. Haul 100 kilogram of firewood, mulch, or camping gear over bumps, roots, and even stairs with puncture-proof tires, rock-solid stability, and a quick folding handle. Load up with ease on the sturdy platform, then tilt and go. Adventure awaits. Ditch the limitations and gear up for the wild with the Wolfcraft off-road transport system. Ready to spin your way to screw-driving success? Meet the Makita Ergonomics wheel driver, your pocket-sized powerhouse that's redefining precision and portability. This innovative tool ditches the bulk of traditional screwdrivers, packing ratchet-like power into a palm-sized marvel. Imagine effortlessly tackling tight spaces and driving screws, home with over 22 Newton-meter of torque, all with a simple twist of the wheel. 6 bits stored within the handle, and a magnetic screw holder keep you organized and ready for any task, from quick fixes to DIY projects. Say goodbye to frustration and bulky tool belts. Embrace the ease and efficiency of the Makita Ergonomics wheel driver. It's time to experience a whole new level of screw-driving satisfaction. Say goodbye to messy lines and wobbly levels. The Pizo Tile Square Laser is your new partner in precision, ready to guide you toward flawless tiling results. Imagine 2 laser beams dancing at a perfect 90-degree angle, effortlessly aligning your floor tiles, backsplashes, and even borders. It's like having pinpoint accuracy in your pocket, saving you time and frustration on every project. And the Pizo laser's talents aren't limited to tiling. Imagine hanging shelves, aligning fixtures, and conquering woodworking projects with laser-sharp focus. Durable, compact, and battery-powered, this tool is your secret weapon for achieving professional-looking results every time. Embrace precision and unlock the satisfaction of perfectly aligned projects with the Pizo Tile Square Laser. Forget clunky ladders and hello versatility. The Bailey FS1039999 adjustable platform ladder transforms your DIY life with a flick of your wrist. This 4-in-1 marvel morphs from 3 to 6 steps, reaching lofty heights with confidence thanks to its wide, slip-resistant platform and adjustable legs that conquer stairs and slopes like a champ. Imagine effortless painting, decorating, and maintenance. No more wobbly towers or frustration. The Bailey FS139999 is your trusted DIY companion, saving you time, space, and stress. Embrace the ease, ditch the ladder struggle, upgrade your projects with the Bailey FS139999. Conquer stubborn spot welds in high-tensile steel. Cametex Fast Drill, the award-winning spot weld drilling machine, throws down the gauntlet with a jaw-dropping 240-kilogram drilling pressure, smashing past standard limitations. Dual-feed technology and Dura-drill bits, lasting 7x longer, deliver precision and unmatched toughness. Forget noise and vibration. Fast Drill drills smooth and safe, boosting your workflow and making those perfect welds a reality. Cast aside messy lines and wobbly cuts. Embrace the GTS EZY Glass Cutter, your precision partner for flawless glass artistry. Glide through any project, from 600mm tiles to 1800mm mirrors, guided by the smooth-running carbide wheel and its effortless glide. Automatic oil feed keeps it purring, while unerasable scales and precision rollers ensure accuracy reigns supreme. Easy Cutter isn't just for glass. Conquer tiles, ceramics, even mirrors. Embrace brilliance and achieve flawless cuts every time with GTS EZY. Pultafor's LaBella 2000. Accuracy's pinnacle awaits. Crush wobbly lines with 5 times the standard sensitivity, magnified details shimmering in low light thanks to luminescent glow. These aren't vials, they're crush-proof fortresses built to endure. Transform from compact to colossal, conquering any project with a 310mm to 3100mm expansion. Rails, extensions, gradients, customize your leveling journey. LaBella 2000. Uncompromising perfection for the discerning professional. Elevate your projects. Elevate your results. Embrace brilliance. Brake jobs just got a whole lot easier with the OEM Tools 35058 Piston Rewind Tool. Experience a new level of efficiency with this spring-loaded marvel that integrates everything you need for hassle-free piston retraction. Say goodbye to clunky threaded setups and misplaced parts. The powerful internal spring applies consistent pressure while the universal adapter effortlessly tackles any piston style. Smooth, efficient caliper resets are now a breeze with the OEM Tools 35058, your brake-saving hero. The Wolfcraft Butler Maxi keeps your screw-driving game organized and efficient. This handy box holds 20 solid bits in a variety of sizes, covering flatheads, Phillips, Torques, and hex heads. The bits fit a standard 1/4-inch driver and are color-coded for easy identification. Plus, the magnetic bit holder makes swapping bits a breeze. So ditch the jumbled toolbox and upgrade your workspace with the Butler Maxi. It's your one-stop shop for all your screw-driving needs. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.